All right, so thank you so much for joining or for watching this video. I'm still reminding you to subscribe if you have not done so, and like, and also you can put up the comment on what you think about the video. Okay, so in this video, I'll try to make you understand on how to answer these three questions out of the diagram. Hopefully, you can see the questions. The first question is to find the coordinates of D, and D is right here. The second question is to find the area of this diagram or this shape right here. The third question is to find the equation of the side A, B, the equation of this side. All right, so without wasting our time, we need to know that this diagram is a square, okay? According to this statement which has been put right here, this is a square. So the coordinates at D will of course be 4, comma, 13, 4, comma 13. So maybe you may be wondering that how did I know that the coordinates at B is 4, comma 13? Okay, so the coordinates at D, I managed to find them in that I looked at the distance from here where the shape starts up to where B is. So it's 4, okay? So from here to here it's 4 because our x-axis right here it's 4. And from 4, from B to C right here, we have 8 here as the x-axis. So meaning this is the midpoint of this shape. And the x-axis here it's 4. So even here the x-axis will be 4. Also, I looked at the y-axis. This is 9 and this is 9, okay? So meaning this is the midpoint, okay? So from B to to A, to the line that is joining A and C right here, is 4, of course, because the y-axis here, it's 5. So meaning from here, it's starting at point 5, going upwards up to here where 9 is. So from 5 to 9, it's 4, of course. And from 9 to D, it must be a 4. The difference must be 4. So it's 9 plus 4, which will give us 13. Okay, so we go to the next question, which is, of course, to find the area. So to find the area, we can just calculate the distance of any of the sides, either this or this, okay, because the distances are the same. If we calculate one side and then we use formula for finding area of a square. So let me find the distance. We have coordinates, I'll get point A, which is 0, comma 9, and point B right here, it's of course 4, comma 5, okay? So now upon getting these, okay, upon getting these points, I'll find the distance, okay? So distance, okay, A, B will be equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1, you square them, minus y sub 2 minus, actually here it's plus, minus y sub 1, you square like that, okay? So what is my x sub 2? It will be a 4. 4, okay, minus 0 power 2 plus, here it will be, it will be 5 minus 9, okay, like that. So we work out things. Here we're getting a 4, then we square it, plus here we're getting a negative 4, we square it, okay? So we solve. This is 16 plus 16, okay? So what is 16 plus 16? It's of course 32, okay? 16 plus 16 is 32. So this is of course the 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 distance. I'm calculating the distance, of which the square root of 16, if you want, You can, square root of 32, if you want, you can separate. You say 16 times square root of 2, okay? So we know that 16 times 2, it's 32. If you write it like this, it's the same as this, so that it's the same as this. This will help you find the square root of 16, which is a 4, and this. So this is the square root of 32. I'm doing this. You can do this if you don't have a calculator, but if you have a calculator, you can still calculate. All right, so after finding this, you now square, okay? So you say, okay, area is equal to L squared, okay? So this is the formula of finding area over a square. So 4 square root of 2 squared. This, of course, will give us a 16 times a 2. And the area will be equal to 32 units or square units, like that. Okay? So this is the solution. The next question here is to find the equation of the side AB. So it's equation of the side AB. Again, we get the coordinates. So we have A 0, 9, B is 4, 5. So to find the equation, we need to first find the gradient. So the gradient will be equal to m is equal to y squared minus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is equal to 5 minus 9 over 4 minus 0, which is equal to negative 4 over 4. Okay? And when we solve here, we're getting a negative 1. Okay? Because 4 into 4, it's 1. Into negative 4, it's negative 1. So now we use the formula for finding equation of the straight line, which is right here. We solve for C. Get n of the coordinates. I'll go with this one. So I'll put a 9 here, negative 1, 0 there, plus a C. So this is 9. It's equal to C. Okay, so after solving for C, we have to plug the value of C back and the value of M here. So we shall have y is equal to negative x. M is negative 1. So put negative here, which is negative 1 right here, plus a 9. So this is the equation. Thank you so much for watching. Okay. Just a reminder that online tuitions are still on. Okay. For those who will be writing their GCE next year and those who will be writing their internal. Okay. So if you want online tuitions, please contact me. WhatsApp me on this number right here. Okay. So that I help you. This is the number to get in touch with me. Bye-bye.